Hello everyone, welcome to General Measures channel. In this session, we will demonstrate how to communicate between the GMT-X4 and the Modbus Poll tool via the Modbus TCP IP. GMT-X4 supports various communication interfaces. Serial communication, RS-232, RS-485, CAN communication, Ethernet communication, Modbus TCP IP, field bus communication, including Profinet, Ethercat, Ethernet IP, and CC-Link IE. In this video, we will focus on Modbus TCP IP communication via the Ethernet port of the GMT-X4. First, connect the Ethernet port of the GMT-X4 instrument to your computer using a network cable. On the GMT-X4 main interface, press Enter to access the calibration menu. Press the right key to enter the communication parameter menu, then press the down key to select for TCP/IP and press Enter. Select 4.1 IP config, then use the up-down keys to set the IP address to match the host computer. Press Enter to confirm. Press the down key to select subnet mask, then press Enter to access the setting interface. Use the up-down keys to set the subnet mask consistent with your network configuration. Press Enter to confirm. Press the down key to select Gateway, then press Enter. Use the up-down keys to set the gateway consistent with your network environment. Press Enter to confirm. Select Connection 1, then press Enter. Choose Port. Use the up-down keys to set the port number. The default value is 502. Press Enter to confirm. Press the down key to select Protocol. Press Enter and choose Modbus TCP. Press Enter to confirm. Press the down key to select Double Word Format. Press Enter and choose the required format. The default value is ABCD. Press Enter to confirm. This demonstration uses the Modbus TCP protocol, which is not a continuous transmission protocol. The continuous sending interval does not need to be set. If you need to enable multiple connections, connection 2 to connection 6, repeat the same steps as for connection 1. After completing the instrument configuration, open your computer and set up Modbus Poll as follows. In Modbus Poll, click Connection. Connect. Configure the parameters. Set them as same as the instruments are. Connection. Modbus TCP IP address. Enter the same IP as set on the GMT-X4. Server port 502. Click OK to connect. When communication is successful, the LAN indicator on the GMT-X4 will flash, indicating normal communication. The weight value displayed on the GMT-X4 will match the data shown in Modbus Poll. That's how you set up communication between the GMT-X4 and Modbus Poll via the Modbus TCP IP. In the next video, we will demonstrate how the GMT-X4 communicates with a PLC using the Profinet protocol.